to welcome back. So today I swap out the contactor for this AC unit, and after I turn on the thermostat and it's still not kicking on. So when I pull out the fuse, so by the way, this is the old contactor, so when you want to replace it, make sure you get the same amperage. Okay, so this is the fuse that I pull out, and I check on this side. It was having a contact or the continuity, and then when I did on this side, it's not working. Let me test out for you guys real quick. So this side is working, and this side is not working. So by the way, this is the new one. So what I did was I move one wire at a time so I don't get confused. You could also take the picture with it first before you remove it. And the outside, those are the 24 volt AC. So I remove the bottom one, and then I switch it out to the top, and the fan and then the compressor automatically kicks in. And I went inside and then check it, and it was getting cool. Because if both of them not turning on, inside will be hot, and the furnace fan will kick in. You can feel the warm air, but not the cold air. So yeah, I'll need to replace it. The fuse, make sure you get the same amperage of fuse, and then replace it, because this one is the downstairs one. It is a much bigger unit, so you don't want to use the bigger fuse. So just give you guys the tips and tricks in case you guys change the contactor, the capacitor, and still not working. You might want to go ahead and then check the fuse. So I ordered a fuse for the home AC, and I finally it's arrived. So let me go ahead and unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. This one was like $12.99 plus tax and free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up and check out the fuse. So this is the little fuse, FLNR-30. That's rated at the 220 volt. It says time delay dual element fuse, 250 volt AC rated or less. Assembled in Mexico. So somehow the fuse was shorted out. So yeah, I tried to fix the AC, and I changed the contactor and checked the capacitor and everything. But unfortunately, this one was the culprit that is not allowing me to turn it on, even though I turned on from the thermostat. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys on how to install it on the pull out fuse. Oh yeah, let me make sure I check for continuity if it's good. Okay, it's good. Because you don't know if doing the shipment it's gonna be broken, because it's just in this plastic bag. There's no insulation or protection. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the AC pull out breaker. So this is the one that is broken. The one that was working was this one. So this one has a bigger fuse. See, this one's a bigger fuse. So this one was a broken one, so I'm gonna pull it out. Upside down. Oh shit. Ooh. I gotta twist this to open it. Let's see. Twist the cap open. Gonna make sure the right size. It's a pointed one right here. Put it back in. Then this one I'm gonna remove it, twist it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is a spring right here, so I can make a tight fit. Okay, I'm gonna install it back. You need to pry this thing out so the fuse could go in. I put it upside down. Okay, now we're gonna install the fuse back. Right now it's on off position. I'm gonna rotate it so it's on position. Okay, and now I'm gonna go upstairs and turn on the thermostat to turn on the AC. Turn on. So the smaller fuse is for the smaller unit. The big fuse is for the taller unit or bigger unit. So we're gonna wait for the moment of the truth and see how it goes. So yeah, this is the culprit. So the top one goes on right away. Not sure what's going on with the bottom one. So sometimes the AC unit has like a timer delay, either 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour. So I'm not sure if this unit has like 30-minute delay or something. So we're gonna wait. Alright, so right now it's working. I guess that's a relay. Plus when I swap the fuse, I swapped the wrong one. So we had to put it back in for it. Because I thought I didn't bring my multimeter to test it out for continuity. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.